Docking a boat in a busy, trafficked marina can be one of the more stressful parts of any voyage. Tight spaces, unpredictable winds, and strong currents all add to the challenge. But Volvo Penta's assisted docking feature helps. Recently, I had the chance to test and drive Volvo Penta's assisted docking system on this stunning MGM43 sedan-style cruiser. Volvo Penta debuted the assisting docking feature on a DPI stern drive at Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. I had the fortune of going to this unveiling event. The assisted docking system was originally launched for IPS drives in 2021, and now, as I said, it's supporting the DPI stern drive systems as well. This compatibility is a game changer for a lot of boat manufacturers, but especially also for boat owners as well. It allows for the dual propeller systems to operate independently along with the thrusters to provide this really clear sense of precision and control. What it really does is it slows everything down, as you can see. Before heading out for my test on the MGM43, I spent a little time refamiliarizing myself with assisted docking in Volvo Penta's simulator. At the heart of the system is the joystick and the display. One of the standout features I noticed during this test was just how assisted docking really does almost know intuitively where you want to go. And this is the magic right here. When you move the joystick, you're actually shifting or moving a circle on the screen. That's the target for the boat. And the boat is gonna find its way into that circle. So move the joystick, twist the joystick, let go of the joystick, and the boat looks for the circle and will find its way into the middle of that. And that's thanks to the DPS, the dynamic positioning system, fighting against wind and current, again, using the props and using the bow thrusters or the side thrusters. It's precise, it's almost surgical in its execution. You can feel it, and the boat knows where it's gotta go. It's great. When docking stern first, how the assisted docking slows everything down, makes everything really precise. It isn't about rushing into a slip. It's about precision. It's about lining up properly. It's about knowing where you gotta go. It's about having time to communicate with your deck crew. It's deliberate movements, giving you total control over where the boat is gonna be. For anyone who's ever felt the pressure of docking in tight spaces or cruising through very narrow canal or channels, Volvo Penta's assisted docking is a game changer. By leveraging the power of its integrated system, it transforms one of boating's most stressful moments and potentially catastrophic moments into an effortless, enjoyable experience. So what this also does is when coming into a dock or driving into a trailer, it's gonna have a big time advantage there as well. We're probably gonna see more and more of this assisted docking technology. At some point in time, you're gonna see something maybe akin to the Tesla system with cameras, or just like some of the other semi-autonomous automobile options. With their continued focus on innovation and on hybrid technology with collaboration with players like Azumit, among others, Volvo Penta is making boating more accessible by making it safer, by making it less stressful, and paving the way for a more sustainable and efficient future in boating, keeping people out on the water, getting more people out on the water. Whether you're a seasoned captain or a weekend boater, assisted docking is a technology that empowers you. It makes you feel safer. Testing it on the MGM43 in narrow channels, it was a perfect demonstration for me of how innovation can make boating easier, safer, slower, and eventually more sustainable. Thanks for inviting me out, Volvo Penta, and I'll see you guys out on the water. Thanks for watching.